of me is Xiaomi 12, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply Animated Live Wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Start by going into Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Now type in Magic Fluids and install this free app, free version of it actually, from this developer. Then click on Open. Now you need to tap on those three lines at the bottom right corner and select Settings. Now just I accept in the pop-up and adjust all of those wallpaper settings however you want to. When you're finished, you need to click at the top right corner and bottom one again. This time select Set of Live Wallpaper, click on Set Wallpaper and decide if you wish to apply it on home screen and lock screen by selecting one of those options. So now, when I go back, as you can see, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!